How to add Calendly to your Shopify website. Now right here, I'm already in my Calendly homepage. I have 2 meetings to set up here. If you already have a meeting, the way you do it is very simple. You press this button, share, and then add to website. You can pick whichever one you'd like here. For this example, I'll add pop-up widget, and then continue. And then this will be in the code. You can change the settings if you'd like, but for this example, I'll just keep it with the default settings. And then you press copy code. After that, right here, I'm on my Shopify store. The way you can add those codes to your Shopify store is by going here, online store, and then themes, which will bring us to this page right here. And then you press on these 3 dots, and then you press edit code. Once you're on this page, you'd like to look for this code right here, theme.liquid. Under this theme.liquid, you'll see this header. Press enter, and then just copy the code you got from Calendly right there. Don't worry about the yellow squiggly lines, it won't matter much. And then press save. And then now I'll go to my store. I'll press this. And then as you can see here, there's this button. That's your Calendly website. It's as easy as that.